Want to get ready for kindergarten this summer? One of the best things you can do is learn to tie your shoes. This is Kid Skills, and we're going to tie our shoes. All right, we've got a new rhyme to go with tying shoes. So let's use our rhyme to tie our shoes. Take your laces in your digits. It's time to get to business. Make an X and wrap one snippet like the tail of a piglet. Pull and tighten down, down, so the bridge is straight and rigid. Little loop, alley-oop. Peek-a-boo, pull it through. There. If you ever want to make the loop smaller, you can pull these. If you want to make the loops a little bigger or tighter. When we get to this point, we go little loop, holding them tight with our hand, alley-oop, around the front to the back. Everything needs to stay kind of close together or you can lose where everything is. Here's a little window. Peek-a-boo, I'm pushing it through here. I actually let go to pull it through. Hi, Navel.
Hello.
Let's see your shoes. Looks like you've done a lot of playing in these shoes.
Yes.
These are tie shoes. Okay, scoot them back up. All right. Let's see how your shoe looks. Get it nice and... Do you know where the tongue is? Where's your tongue on your shoe? Yes. You need to make it all straight. All right.
And make sure
As for comfort.
And make sure it's under here, not up here.
All right. Put the tongue in the right place. Sure is does look like a tongue. Okay, now tighten up those laces. All right. Navel has a tiny little skinny foot, so she likes it really tight. All right. Take your laces and your digits. It's time to get to business. Make an X and wrap one snippet like the tail of a piglet. And that's right, you take it through. All right. Now pull it tight down, down, just like a bridge is falling down. So the bridge is straight and rigid. Little loop. Alley-oop. All right, now peek-a-boo. Let's see where it peek-a-boos through.
You see this hole right here?
Uh-huh.
You get this one.
Peek-a-boo. All right,
Then
now pull it through.
Fingers.
That's right. Tie it tight. Good. Perfect. Let's do the other one. All right, get that tongue in the right place. Now, tighten those laces so it feels good. All right, now we're ready to tie. Take your laces in your digits. It's time to get to business. Make an X. And wrap a snippet like the tail of a piglet. Tighten the bridge down, down. So it's straight and rigid. Now make a loop. Make a little loop. Alley-oop. Oh, let's go around the front.
I do it the backwards way usually.
Now peek-a-boo. Uh-huh. Pull it through. is our second way to tie your shoes. You start with the first knot. Take your laces, make that X. Wrap your snippet around and tighten down, down. Now here's where it changes. We're going to make loop 1. We're going to make loop 2. Get them to where they're comfortable. Now we're going to make an X with these and tie this loop snippet around, wrap it around, and tighten. How'd you like that? Number 3, I think this is a little more complicated, but you do have time to rest your fingers as you go along and take a minute to look at where everything is. One problem I find is that it's a little harder to untie once you're finished with the day. We take our X and wrap one snippet and tighten down, down. All right, let's do that again. We're going to take our X and wrap one snippet and tighten down. Oh, not all the way down. We're going to have this little window right here, a little kind of a square window. Okay, now I'm going to take this end. I can take my time. Put this in through the front here. So I got me a loop there. Then I can take this one. I like to take it through the back here, because it was already going around this way, so I go ahead and take it around the back. Now let's get our loops and pull them tight. Oh, look, our loops are too big. That means we can just adjust it a little bit with the tails and then tighten the loops again. This is pretty good if you want to slowly do it and you really want to see how it goes. But the only problem to me is when you undo the shoe, it's kind of in a knot. And that's really not my favorite thing. And I think that taking the shoe off might actually take a little more time. Oh, wait a minute, I'll be right back. Make your X again. Wrap the snippet. Make the bridge come down. Alright, we're going to make 2 loops. One loop this way. Got an attached end and a free end. One loop that way. I've got an attached end and a free end. Now, I've got my 2 loops. This one has the free end here. This one has the free end over here. I want to come through and pull that free end with the opposite finger. And zip! That was like magic. Let me show you that again. We take one loop this way. Our free end is over here. One loop this way. Here's our free end on that side. Let me reach on through this loop and grab the free side. Let me reach through here and grab the free side and zip! Once you've learned to tie your shoes, you can tie bows on gifts as well. So now you know 4 different ways to tie your shoes. You are going to be so proud of yourself, and your teacher is going to be so proud of you. You still have a lot of time to practice, so you can even practice the double knot. Best wishes. Have a great summer.